truthfully, the easiest thing that you can do is check your filter, see how it's doing, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you some simple steps, really important steps to maintain your AC working in a perfect condition for years, okay? All right, so you gotta do this. Get your hose and clean it out. See how I'm doing this? Get your hose. This should only take you like 5 minutes, and do this about 5 or 6 times a year. So easy to do to maintain your AC working properly for centuries. Okay, years. And see the bottom there right there? Clean that out too. All right, look. Look at all this gunk. Look at this. You think your AC gonna work properly? No. Clean this out. Look at all this. This is where the runoff goes. All that water needs to go someplace. And you got all this gunk and stuff. Clean it out. Spray the crap out of it. You're not gonna hurt it. Right there. There you go. Yeah. Alright? Get all that crap out. Keep your AC working for centuries. Yeah. Wow. Can you see this? Do you see this? This is on flippin' real. So, it's important that you first off remember to check your filter. Okay, it's probably the easiest thing that you can do to check your filter, see how it's doing. Right? Mine, as you can see, is beautiful. Looks okay. Right? Depends where you live too and how much you use your AC. Check your AC all the time. Check your